Hello to my future employer. Let me introduce myself. My name is Miriam Oyautaro, 40 years of age from Philippines. I'm married and I have two kids. I'm an ex-abroad from UAE in 2 years as a domestic helper. They are 6 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, sometimes cleaning the car. I have also an experience here in the Philippines as a babysitter. There are 3 members of the family. My duties and responsibilities are taking a bath, feed his milk, uh, playing with him, and read his book. And when he is going to sleep, I will sing, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Mom, sir, thank you for choosing me as your domestic helper. I will do my best to do my responsibilities with love, care, honest, hardworking, and above all, God-fearing. Thank you, and may God bless you.